If you wake up as Virat Kohli,
I would never sleep again. If I wake up at Virat Kohli, I don't need to get back to me. So
you'll stay Virat Kohli. Hello and welcome to the third episode of the second season of All Things Cricket. It's been a while since we brought you any episode of All Things Cricket, and times have been tough, and we really hope that everybody is keeping really well. To continue the second season after this long break, we have someone who's been definitely worth the wait, a budding talent who has represented India as a part of the under 19 team, a tall and fast bowler, and we'll find out today if he's as fiery as well. We welcome Yatin Mangwani. Welcome, Yatin. It is such a pleasure to have you.
thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. So, Yatin, अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहे हैं, बहुत सारा ऐसा टाइम चल रहा है कि you can't actually go out, you can't actually play. कैसे आप अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो? Just before we go into the episode.
I've been working out, like I have a routine set. I work out in the mornings, chill in the afternoons, and then I go play football with my friends in the evening. So it's kind of going on well for me.
Okay, and आज Yatin, we'll do this in 3 segments. सबसे पहले I will talk to you about your journey in the first segment. We'll call it Unfolding the Journey. उसके बाद second segment में I will bring you a Face the Heat segment जिसमें मैं कुछ rapid fire questions पूछूंगा आपसे. And finally we'll have a third segment called जनता के सवाल जिसमें हम वो questions पूछेंगे जो आप ही के fans ने आपसे पूछने की कोशिश करी है हमारे through. So we'll start whenever you're ready for that.
Okay.
So I'll start with my first segment. Again, it's called Unfolding the Journey. So my first question in this segment is completely about you. We all want to know how you got to this point, what made you choose cricket, and just tell us everything about your journey.
Okay, so first of all, my school didn't have cricket, and I used to play basketball for the school till I think 7th. Then one day, my father just took me for selections to Varrock. There's this academy in Pune, Vengsarkar. So I got selected there, and from there I've changed around 4 clubs. I've been to PYC, Deccan, Varrock, and then now I'm in Cadence. So and my father is also a cricketer. So yeah, I was never into cricket before. I used to play basketball and football. So yeah, that's that.
That's quite exciting to know. In fact, कि आपने 7th तक cricket खेला नहीं, and still you made it here. So you must have, the way you say आपने clubs change करे, आपने start करा, you must have worked hard a lot. And when you were included in the squad for the India under 19 team, just tell us about that feeling. आप कहाँ थे? आपने कैसे celebrate किया? What was that feeling that the hard work reaped benefits?
So we had our matches going on in Una, Himachal Pradesh. I was sleeping in the room, and एक बंदा आया, and he's just like, bro, तू select हो गया. I was like, shit, team आ गई. I was like, I just can't describe that feeling. It was so good.
Quite exciting, काफी anticlimactic, but exciting to know. And now that you are selected, now that you are in the team, बहुत बार ऐसा होने लगता है कि कोई भी एक young cricketer अगर अच्छा करे अपने initial phases of career में, तो उनसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस इतनी हाई सेट करते हैं, उनको सीनियर क्रिकेटर से कंपेयर करने लगते हैं कि ये नेक्स्ट जहीर खान हो सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट ईशांत शर्मा हो सकते हैं, ऐसी बातें आने लगती हैं. सो ऐसी चीज़ों की वजह से कुछ आपके ऊपर एडिशनल प्रेशर आता है. एंड टॉल फास्ट बॉलर इन इंडिया, दैट्स ऑलवेज अ रिसोर्स दैट एवरीबडी लुक्स इनटू. तो उसकी वजह से कुछ आपके ऊपर प्रेशर, कुछ आपके ऊपर वो होता है. एंड हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट?
Actually, I get inspired by such comments. Like people call me Chris Morris, Ishan Sharma, एवरीथिंग. पर वो लोग ऑलरेडी वो लेजेंड्स है. अगर कोई मुझे कोई लेजेंड के नाम से बुला रहे तो मैं और मोटिवेट होता हूँ. आई ट्राई टू कॉपी मतलब उनका एक्शन, तो वो और अच्छा लगता है. मतलब ऐसा प्रेशर नहीं आता, बट इट्स गुड टू बी कॉल्ड एज लेजेंड्स.
Fair enough, that sounds good. और आपने उसको अच्छे से लिया, वो भी बहुत अच्छी एक बात है. And one more thing I'll ask you in this segment. We started off with this also. आपने बताया आपका रूटीन है, आप वर्कआउट अभी भी अपना मेंटेन कर रहे हो. So आजकल फिटनेस पे बहुत वैल्यू करा जा रहा है इस गेम में, and you are someone who is definitely maintaining high levels of fitness. So my question to you कि एक स्पोर्ट्समैन के लिए उनके गेम के लिए how important is fitness and how should one stay motivated to keep fit even in these tough times?
So as a cricketer, as a fast bowler,
Mhm.
if I'm not fit, if I'm not like in touch, I'll get hit. I'll get hit for 20 runs in an over if I'm not up to the mark. So और सबको हर एक क्रिकेटर को अंडर परफॉर्मेंस का डर रहता है.
Exactly, yeah.
तो अंडर परफॉर्मेंस ना मतलब वो ना होने के लिए यू नीड टू मेंटेन योर फिटनेस, यू नीड टू बी इन टच. अभी लॉकडाउन है तो फिर घर पे ही चालू है. दैट्स इट.
That's good to know, and it's really inspiring that you're still keeping up with your routine even in these times. Now with that, I'll take you to our second segment called Face the Heat. तो इस सेगमेंट में थोड़ा सा मैं कोशिश करूंगा आपको एक दो टफ स्पॉट में डालूं, थोड़ा सा आपसे इंटरेस्टिंग बातें निकलवाएं हम. So my first question to you is your funniest moment related to cricket on or off the field.
Okay. So हमारा कैंप चालू था जोनल का. हम लोग थे सवाई मानसिंह स्टेडियम जयपुर में.
Okay.
मैं और मेरे साथ और 2 लोग थे. So the thing was कि the gate was 1 kilometer away and we had to walk for that. तो हमको शाम को टाइम पास के लिए कुछ था नहीं, तो we were like चल let's go get biscuits. तो फिर एक जन बोला अरे वो गेट तो 1 किलोमीटर दूर है, इतना कौन चलेगा यार, क्योंकि थक गए रहते. इट वाज अराउंड 6:30. तो पीछे एक वॉल था. अगर वो वॉल चढ़ के गए तो वो रोड था डायरेक्ट. तो व्हाइल वी वर क्लाइंबिंग हमारे कोच आए सामने से. and he's like boys what are you doing और हम लोग ऊपर ही awkward मतलब फुल क्या आंसर दे. एक बंदा बोलता है सर शूज चेक कर रहे हैं. तो वो एक्चुअली काफी, फिर हमको नेक्स्ट डे 5 राउंड्स भगाए सर ने.
पनिशमेंट भी मिला. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग और काफी
पनिशमेंट
आपने कवर अप कर लिया अपने उसको.
हाँ.
Right. So my next one to you, in the current Indian team आपका favorite cricketer कौन है?
In the current, it was MS Dhoni before, but now I'll go with Virat.
Go with Virat, okay.
Because it's current.
And you जितने भी आपने अभी तक बैट्समैन को फेस करा है, the toughest batsman that you've had to bowl to?
There was this selection match, Vijay Hazarega. So I bowled to Kedar Jadhav. I think Kedar Jadhav is the toughest batsman I bowled to.
And in the next set of questions, I want you to answer with your preferences, your picks. So सबसे पहले my question to you is कि let's just assume a situation कि आपको एक cricket quiz में participate करना है and you have to take one member with you. तो आप किसको लेके जाओगे?
मतलब famous cricketer or my friend or anyone?
Anybody जिसको cricket का बहुत अच्छा knowledge हो, आपका pick है.
I'll take my dad.
You'll take your dad. Interesting. So he knows a lot about cricket. He has a lot of full of facts.
He has a lot of knowledge about cricket. Full of facts.
Nice. And which application on your phone do you use the most?
Last lockdown it was Netflix, but this lockdown it's Instagram.
Instagram. Nice. And let's just say you had to get one superpower and it's your choice. क्या superpower मिलेगी, कुछ भी कर सकते हो, then what would you take?
Injury-free body, if that's allowed.
Interesting. And if you got the chance to play for an IPL team, which IPL team would you love to play for the most?
CSK.
CSK. The trace is back. Dhoni आपने अभी favorite बताया. CSK makes sense. Okay. And
correct.
And when you're bowling, your favorite variation?
Bouncer.
Okay. And when you're packing for a tour or when you're going to play for a few days, what's the first thing that you would generally keep in your bag?
The first thing is my shoes and socks.
Interesting.
I carry 3 pair of shoes and 3 pair of shoes and around 12 pairs of socks because I wear 2 pairs each session. So I need to have that.
Represents hard work. Represents sweating it out. अच्छी बात है. Okay.
पक्का fast bowler हूँ मैं.
And what is the one thing that is on the top of your bucket list?
Skydiving.
Skydiving. Interesting again. And now we'll talk about the IPL.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it was cut out. We had almost half of a season, a little more than that, and hopefully we'll have a second leg again. But if you
Yeah.
had to take your picks from the first leg of this tournament, तो आपके हिसाब से अभी तक बेस्ट इनिंग्स किसने खेली है इस IPL की?
देवदत्त पाटिकल, hands down. वो जो 100 मारा है उसने.
Century?
Yeah.
Okay, and the best bowling performance according to you?
Deepak Chahar, the 5 wickets that he took.
Okay, and the most exciting youngster to watch in this season?
Chetan Sakaria.
Chetan Sakaria, quite an inspiring story that. And the best fielder according to you in this season?
Jadeja.
I walked into that one, didn't I? Okay.
Yeah, totally.
And the team according to you, अभी तक का आपको points table पता है, अभी तक की आपको standings पता है, सब टीम का fair idea लग गया है, तो अभी आपके हिसाब से सीजन किसका है ये?
मैं actually तो CSK fan हूँ, but at the moment RCB I think should have won.
RCB, okay. Now moving on to my next segment of questions. You've been a part of the Indian under-19 team, and you've had a significant amount of time spent with all the members of the team. If you had to pick one person for each category that I am about to mention, you need to take your pick. So, according to you, उस पूरी टीम में सबसे बड़ा prankster कौन है?
Prankster under-19. आयुष बदोनी.
आयुष बदोनी, ये मैं चौथी बार सुन रहा हूँ ये नाम. ऐसा क्या करते हैं वो?
वो अलग ही है वो, मतलब कुछ भी करते रहता है वो अपने एक्चुअली ये स्टोरी शायद से सुनी रही है आपने, वो अपने मुंह से वो वाइब्रेशन निकालता है, तो अपना फोर्स में भी यहाँ पे ऐसे बता नहीं सकता.
ये
सुना है ना,
यश ने बताया था, if I'm not wrong, yeah.
हाँ, यश राठौर, करेक्ट.
ओके, और आपकी टीम में कामेस्ट कौन है?
कामेस्ट शुभांग हेगड़े.
ओके, एंड द फनीएस्ट मेंबर इन द टीम?
Funniest member. I can pick anyone, right?
Yeah.
मेरे क्लब से या और कोई?
हाँ, अपने आप को भी pick.
So there's this guy from Sangli.
Yeah.
नहीं, वो आप स्मार्टेस्ट पूछोगे तभी पिक कर सकता हूँ शायद.
अगला स्मार्टेस्ट पूछते हैं. फनीएस्ट आपने कौन बताया?
वो एक सांगली का बंदा है, हमारे स्टेट टीम में खेलता है, रंजीत चौगले करके.
ओके.
वो है, मतलब वो भी हंसाते ही रहता है सबको ऐसे.
ओके, एंड स्मार्टेस्ट तो आपने बता दिया, यू आर द स्मार्टेस्ट इन द टीम. नेक्स्ट टर्न आई कोई टीम का ऐसा गेमर प्लेस्टेशन एक्सबॉक्स पे ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, फील्ड पे थोड़ा कम टाइम लगता है, ऐसा कोई टीम में?
वैसा तो नहीं है, पर एक बंदा था जो टूर पे हमेशा PS4 लेके आता था वापस, देवदत्त पडिक्कल.
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड मूविंग ऑन, सीनियर क्रिकेट टीम में या फिर इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में भी, हु इज द क्रिकेटर दैट यू लुक अप टू द मोस्ट?
एंडरसन.
जेम्स एंडरसन, नाइस. एंड if you had to pick, अभी हमें पता है वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप का फाइनल आने वाला है, everybody is excited for that, and after this historic victory that India has plenty of pace resources for the test match now. So अगर आपके हिसाब से एक इंडिया का bowling attack बनाना हो, अपना 5 bowlers का जो bowling attack रहेगा, what should that be for the final?
बुमराह, शार्दुल ठाकुर and शामी.
बुमराह, शार्दुल.
ये तीन.
Interesting. And now moving forward to a very make-believe scenario कि let's just assume एक ऐसा दिन हो that you wake up as somebody else. So in that scenario, I want you to tell me what is the first thing you do if you wake up as the following. The first one in the set for me is KL Rahul.
Okay. KL Rahul. I'll go grab a Red Bull and play with my 3 doggies.
Sponsorship भी डाल दिया आपने. Okay. And if you wake up as Ishant Sharma,
I'll go get a good haircut.
Oh, interesting. And if you wake up as Virat Kohli,
I would never sleep again.
Sleep again, perfect. And
like if I wake up at Virat Kohli, I don't need to get back to me. So.
You'll stay Virat Kohli. Okay, and if you wake up,
stay there. I'll go bowl. I'll watch myself bowl.
Nice.
So good.
And if you wake up as Rahul Dravid?
Rahul Dravid. I'll go to Indira Nagar and scream again.
Nice. So with that very interesting answer, I'll take you to our last segment. It's called Janta Ke Sawal. Again, a lot of questions for you. So these are 3 or 4 questions that we have picked out and we're asking you from your fans who sent them in. So the first one we have here is from someone called Pratik Reddy. तो प्रतीक रेड्डी आपसे ये पूछ रहे हैं कि at this
Pratik
time,
Reddy.
yeah,
He's a player from Hyderabad. I know him.
oh that's nice. So he's asking कि आप इस टाइम पे जब competitive cricket नहीं हो रहा है, you need to keep strong mentally as well as physically. Physically तो शायद आपने हमें बता ही दिया कि आप वर्कआउट भी कर रहे हो, फुटबॉल भी खेल रहे हो, पर mentally strong आप कैसे अपने आप को रख रहे हो इस टाइम पे, बिना क्रिकेट के, बिना कंपटीशन के?
So mentally strong, मतलब I'm just watching my videos, like my good videos, and अभी IPL चालू था तो उसमें थोड़ा मतलब देख के थोड़ा सीख रहा था, and I'm also exploring good legends के bowling. So I'm always on YouTube or Instagram Reels. I keep watching, and I'm also reading a book now. So that's
नाइस, मतलब अभी भी आप अपने आप को ऑफ द फील्ड भी प्रिपेयर करे जा रहे हो?
हाँ, क्योंकि वापस अभी कॉम्पिटिटिव क्रिकेट चालू होगा तो लाइक आई वांट टू बी देयर ऑलरेडी. ऐसा लगना नहीं चाहिए कि 1.5 year ब्रेक हो गया है. I want to get back.
Makes a lot of sense, and that's a good thing that should inspire a lot of people. Even when you're away from what you're doing, you should keep working hard for it. The next question that we have from someone called Riddhima. तो रिद्धिमा आपसे ये पूछ रही है कि इस शो पे बहुत यंग टैलेंटेड गेस्ट आए हैं हमारे, उन्होंने नाम लिखे हैं सिद्धेश, हर्ष त्यागी और यश के, कि जिन्होंने हमें बार बार ये बताया है कि राहुल द्रविड़ का कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है टीम की डेवलपमेंट में, टीम के ग्रोथ में. तो इफ देयर इज समथिंग फ्रॉम यू कि any way that Rahul Dravid has contributed to the team that inspired you, या something that makes him so special कि सब लोग उनका इतना appreciate करते हैं effort को?
Correct. So one thing about Rahul sir is that he is always straight to the point. मतलब वो एकदम कम बात करेंगे, पर वो उतने से सेंटेंस में वो बहुत सेंस बनाएंगे. तो एशिया कप का स्क्वाड अनाउंस हुआ था, एंड आई वाज इंजर्ड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू. तो फिर द्रविड़ सर एक दिन पहले घर जाने के मुझे बोले कि यातिन, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई सी यू, I want to see you so strong mentally and physically that no injury should hurt you. If you think deeply, that makes so much sense.
Yeah.
Actually.
Very interesting.
So yeah, that's
and सही बात है, कम बोला पर बहुत ही impactful चीज बोली, that will stay for you for with you for a long time.
Correct.
Right, and one more question we'll take up. It's from someone called Priya Raj. तो प्रिया ये पूछ रही हैं कि if you had the opportunity, one, to bowl to any senior cricketer of your choice, then who would you bowl to?
AB de Villiers.
AB de Villiers, interesting. And दूसरा, if you got to learn the skill of bowling from one senior cricketer, then who would you turn up to?
Anderson.
James Anderson. Okay, and one last question that we have for you. आपने अपने बारे में इतना बताया, हमें समझ में आया आपका पूरा प्रोसेस, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें भी करी. After all of this time that you have spent playing the sport, if you could tell us in one word, what does cricket mean to you?
That's the most difficult question. I think it's life.
It's life. That's why it's in the end. It's the most difficult question.
Yeah. It's a cliche answer, but then I think every cricketer would go with that.
Mm-hmm. Right. From my end, that is it. Thank you so much for coming here, agreeing to do this and doing this with such high spirits. It has been an absolute privilege to get to interact with you. और already आपके कुछ followers हमें message कर रहे हैं कि कब ये episode आएगा, कब हम ये देख पाएंगे. So there's a lot of hype around it. So thank you so much for agreeing to do this. Anything you want to say to me, to the audience of the show, to your fans before you go from here?
Thank you. Just thank you. Thank you so much for supporting. Keep supporting. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yatin. Thank you again.